It's about 6 o'clock on the 21st here of May. I just finished these ceilings and I want to make a kind of a quick informal video here to make sure that I get this up to the principal so he can see just what the hell is being done. Everything's been cleaned off, lights, caulk, the whole 9 yards. We use right at 15 tubes of caulk. Right at 15 gallons of paint, excuse me. Really good paint. Had quite a few repairs to make, but it's turned out fairly well. All your light sconces, fire detectors, all been caulked. We got our track lights, we've caulked those. Just got all that back up today. Had 2 light bulbs out. But I wanted to make a quick video here, kind of give the viewer this idea. I've got prior videos that I'll put up on the web once I get some downtime. But right now I'm balls to the wall just to get this finished and get on the fluorescence. That's what we're going to start on tomorrow. It's turned out real well. We've had to clean the duct, and we also isolated it with plastic to make sure we didn't get any paint on it. Really tight up in that duct work, slowed me down quite a bit, but we got it done pretty good. Took lacquer thinner actually to clean the top of the lights and the light sconces. They were so impregnated with dust, dirt, and debris from prior paint jobs. But they turned out well. Like I said, I just finished caulking and painting them today. We used the Elasto patch on a lot of these cracks, and I used 15 tubes of caulk throughout this condo. We had, because of the lack of stop bead on the drywall, we had a lot of repairs at the edge where it hits the brick. You can see some of these blue tapes. This is where the repairs were at on the edge, quite a bit more than what met the eye. Again, the beam, they really turned out well. Put a lot of caulk into them beam posts. More of the debris where we're at here, working down this long line, a lot of caulk, man. But, turned out real well. It's to the standard. I'm happy with it. We got to follow what's here. We didn't start this project to make it look like new, but we wanted to restore it to its original luster. I think it looks better now than it did. We got better paints. There was other issues that were never shored up we took care of. It's really turned out well. I'm hoping that the principal will be happy. Me going back in here, we had quite a bit of tight space up in this ductwork to do. You can see in here, really slowed me down as a bird to clean. It was even more so to paint, but we got it. Took my time, real careful, and for a job like this, and that you got people living in the area, and you really got to be meticulous. You got to clean up every day. And you just really got to be careful, but it really turned out well. Hopefully the principal's happy. Again, you can see I had a lot of repairs, two repairs in here to do, but this is the closet area, and we're starting the fluorescence tomorrow. This area here was quite a lot of separation with the seams and the cracks. Again, we used a Elasto patch. 15 tubes of caulk, again, not to be redundant, but on the whole thing. The paint was superior than the Zinsar. It didn't run, not drippy, very little. It's got superior coverage, good pigmentation, and just really worked good on the brush. I had to cut it very little. The only tough part about using the paint is that when you go on the second coat, it's so white it's hard to see where you're rolling, so you really got to use a lot of lights on it. But it turned out well. We fixed a lot of areas in here, much better than what it was. Again, we've caulked the lights and this ductwork. We've shored it up, put it back up in the hole proper, installed the grill on it, and caulked it. You won't get no blow by on that now. And it does function. It's just an exhaust duct. Temporary. Got a temporary fix here on these walls, but we'll get more into that starting tomorrow. So there you go, brother. I hope it makes you happy. I've done my best on it, and I tell you, it's been the largest ceiling and the toughest one that I've done to date, just because of the original install of the drywall, you're underblocked and the seams were poor at best. It's just really a rough job, but that was before you guys got here. But in any case, it's looking good now. I'll upload this to the YouTube tonight, and I'll send you a link. Hopefully you'll get it. I do have the prep videos, but again, I'm balls to the wall. I don't really have a lot of time to tinker around with the net right now, but maybe this weekend I might try to get something up. In any case, hope you're doing well. Want to give you a progress report. I know you've been kind of wondering. But again, 15 tubes, right at 15 gallons of paint. 14 to 15 gallons. You got, I think, 7, 8 gallons. You can go back. That's $400 back into your pocket. And it's taken me right at 16 days. The light, it really looks wonderful when the sun's shining. The color and the pigmentation, the paint's really nice. And again, everything, we cleaned everything super clean, vacuumed everything up. It's turned out quite nice. All right, tomorrow we get on the FO Fluorescence, brother. Again, you be good and safe and kind to yourself, and I'll talk to you later.